In this video, we'll show you just how simple it is to upgrade from Syncplify Server version 6 to version 7 on Windows. Here we're starting with a fully functional version 6 installation. You can see a running virtual site and a valid license that's covered by an active maintenance plan. Upgrading to version 7 is as easy as it gets. Just double-click the installer, approve the Windows Privilege Elevation prompt, accept the license agreement, and that's it. The installer takes care of the rest, automatically and seamlessly. Once it's done, simply press F5 in your browser to refresh the page. And there you have it, Syncplify Server version 7, up and running. Your virtual site and license come along with you. No extra steps required. We know the wait for version 7 has been longer than expected, but we truly believe it'll be worth it.